Hi, this is a tutorial on how to install Microsoft Office using your Office 365 account. So you'll first go to the DCDSB website, and then you guys will go to the Students and Student Office 365 link. And then once you're here, you'll use your student number, so whatever it is, at dclive.ca. And then you'll put your password in. This is not going to work for me because I'm not a student. And then when you go to your email, in the top right hand corner, you'll see your initials or an image if you've changed it. You're going to go to View Account. And then in here, you'll see a spot for managing your installs. If I scroll down, Office Apps, I go to Manage, and then here you will say Install Office, and then you just follow the steps through this process. Hope this helps.